11 years of waiting shattered in a single Saturday. India's nail biting victory proved that miracle happens. So, with that thought, we still have 5 months on our clock. Anything is possible. Riding this wave of inspiration, I kicked off my day with laser focus. As the clock struck 6:30, I dove headfirst into the sea of numbers. Averages crumbled, profits soared, and losses retreated as I conquered the major chunk of these tricky topics. But I didn't stop there. Like a puzzle master on roll, I cracked 4 set of DILR as the clock ticked towards 10:30 p.m. So yeah, I remember to answer all the burning questions which are just lurking on my last video's comment section. So like first, someone was asking like, ये सब करने से हो जाएगा क्या? So answer to that is, first of all, I would suggest do research, do your research, and by research I mean like if you are a person, if you are a creative person, then research about the MBA colleges who are more inclined towards the creative aspect of MBA, as in the marketing side or the marketing and sales side, of course. And like if you are into, like if you are more into finance or numbers, then definitely figure out which colleges have the best program for that. If you are into HR, so which colleges are great in HR, the highest packages in HR. And if you are someone who is into bakchodi, so definitely filter out all these IIMs, all these baby new IIMs, and like go for Amity University, right? It's not a joke. I'm like serious. Like, I'm not even kidding. Today's gyan would be try to sit for 3 to 4 hours daily, because CAT being an exam as a aptitude exam, it also tests your attentiveness, how attentive you are. अगर आपको 3 घंटे किसी के सामने रख दिया है तो ऐसा ना हो कि यार 1 घंटे बाद यू आर बोर्ड, क्योंकि VA के सेक्शन के बाद जब DILR सेशन आता है, ब्रेन इज टोटली फक्ड अप, उसमें तुम्हें कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, उसके बाद देन यू हैव टू सॉल्व मैथ्स. सो इट इज़ वेल डिजाइंड. सो अभी 5 महीने हैं, 5 महीने में बहुत कुछ हो सकता है, बट ट्राई टू एटलीस्ट सिट फॉर 3 to 4 hours स्ट्रेट अवे, और फिर इसको धीरे 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 आप आगे लेके जाओ. राइट, सो विद दैट आई विल सी यू टुमारो. आज बहुत हेक्टिक डे था, वीकडेज होते ही हैं, मंडे इन मंडे. तो या बाय बाय.